you suffer from migraines, you already know how disruptive they can be. It's not just a headache. Migraine can bring nausea, light sensitivity, brain fog, and hours of discomfort, sometimes even days. While medication can help manage attacks, diet and lifestyle play a huge role in how frequently migraines occur. But here's the good news. What you eat also hugely impacts how often you get them and how intense they are. So let's build your smart plate for migraine. Research shows that up to 50% of the people with migraines have low magnesium levels. A 2021 meta-analysis in Headache Journal found magnesium supplementation significantly reduced migraine frequency and intensity. So the first thing we add to our smart plate is magnesium. Increasing magnesium intake through your diet is easy because a lot of magnesium sources can be found right in our kitchen. First, spinach is one of the richest dietary sources of magnesium. You can include it in your dal, eat saag more often, or you can also blend spinach in your curd and have it as raita. Second, pumpkin seeds. Per gram, pumpkin seeds are the single richest whole food of source of magnesium. A 30-gram handful delivers 37% of your daily needs. They are also rich in zinc, which supports serotonin synthesis. Low serotonin is a direct trigger for migraine onset. To include it in your diet, dry roast it with some ground spices and have it as a snack, or ground and mix it into your dips. Other sources of magnesium include black beans, avocado, and dark chocolate, which have more than 70% of cocoa. Next, we add omega-3 fatty acids to our plate. Omega-3 reduce neuroinflammation, which is a key driver in migraine pain. They help balance the ratio between inflammatory and anti-inflammatory signals in the brain. A Harvard-published 16-week clinical trial found that increasing omega-3 intake reduced migraine frequency by up to 30%. To include it in your diet, start eating fatty fish like salmon and sardines 2 to 3 times a week. Flax seeds or chia seeds are also good sources of omega-3. You can mix them in your smoothie or make an acai bowl, and that is it. Now let's add riboflavin, which supports mitochondrial energy metabolism in brain cells. Confusing, I know, but let's focus on the food that provides it. Studies have shown it can reduce migraine frequency when consumed consistently. Some rich sources of riboflavin are eggs and chicken. Egg and chicken curry are extremely accessible daily meals. Similarly, mushrooms are also good sources. You can include them in your meal as curry or mix them in your rice or your pasta, whatever you prefer. Now we move to another important addition to our plate: antioxidant. Oxidative stress is significantly elevated during migraine attacks. Oxidants neutralize the free radical responsible. Amla, also known as the Indian gooseberry, is a great source. It contains one of the highest vitamin C concentration of any food, roughly 20 times more than an orange, which helps reduce neuroinflammation and protects blood-brain barrier integrity. Your smart plate won't eliminate migraines overnight, but over weeks and months, these changes can genuinely reduce their frequency and severity. If you have any questions, please comment below and share this video with someone who suffers with migraine. I'll see you in our next episode where we tackle endometriosis.